Hi, my name is Matt Larson, Vice President of Pro Audio Sales with DiGiCo in the U.S. We want to show you is the new Foria 4 system. What this is showing the front view of the Foria 4 rack and the back view. What the system is it allows me to actually have 4 mixers in one box. So I can actually have 4 different areas. They each have a master left and right and a solo bus, and I have 128 inputs and 48 outputs of processing that I can allocate to any of the 4 zones. So what's slick is it allows me to actually have the ability to have stage boxes in 4 different rooms if I wanted to, or some panel mounts with LCD and labeling displays here, as well as I can actually have my Control 8, which gives me faders of 8 faders along with bank control, so I can jump through a bunch of different inputs. Any of these switches could be assigned to anything like a tap delay. If I wanted to use an encoder panel, it's kind of the same setup with 6 encoders. And again, I've got my bank controls that I can grab, muting and selecting. Or I could use my little Decora panel. So you could actually push the button down, jump over, we'll say iPad number 8, turn up the level. Let me push it down. Let me go to RF2 and adjust that. So you can actually, these are all connected via the Ethernet connection, either off the front or the rear panel. What's also slick is you can use your SD series mic pre's. I can put up into 4 DiGiCo multi-channel interface cards into the system. We have a new protocol called A-Star, which is 128 in by 128 out. So I can run a network connection to this breakout box, which goes to another new protocol called the A3232. So I can get 32 inputs and 32 outputs here on all 4 of those, plus an additional 4 A-Star 3232s. So I could actually plug a stage rack here. In addition, I can flip the cascade switch and do a second rack off of one of those connections. Now what's also slick is I actually have my macro buttons here. So let's say I'm using this and this is my main theater. At the end of the main theater, I could go ahead and just mute that system for the night. Then I could go ahead and let me go ahead and mute that. Then let's go ahead and I've got the Jazz Club. In the Jazz Club, it's about 12:30 at night. Let's go ahead and shut that down, but I'm gonna still keep running my bar until 2 a.m. And then maybe at about as closing time, I might go ahead and run my program music that's out at the front of the theater or something. So it's a really cool integrated system that you can use for an install, as well as you could even use it for like a front of house system for doing festivals with multiple bands. So this is the Foria 4 system, shipping in July. Great price point. This retails for $7,500. These are about $1,800. About $1,600 for this box, about $300 for here. So it's a great price point, killer solution with beautiful sonic performance. So thanks a lot for coming by. Our website is digico.org or digico.org.